and a lot of people, like, you know what I mean, probably they're warm, chilling, and I relax. All right. What I want to simply say to you, a lot of people doesn't know. I'm gonna tell you this. We make this cherry juice right here. This cherry. I went to the supermarket and I saw the cherry and I brought them and I said I'm gonna do this video this evening. It is a collaboration between me and another chef. But I want to give you a little bit of secret about cherry. Cherry is very good for your health. It's got a lot of health benefit. Good for your blood, and also good for a lot. To be honest, it's good for a lot more things. All right. You can take a little time and do a little bit of research. And cherry juice, I'm telling you, 100% is very, very, very good for you. All right. You got a whole heap of health benefit. All right. If you do not know anything about cherry, I would say to you, please do the research and get some ideas about cherry. All right. Now the thing is, where I will say to you this evening, we are making a juice, simple juice this evening. But I'm gonna tell you something. The cherry is very good for you. All right. Now I have a large bowl of cherry right here, and organic cherry is the best juice to drink. It's very good for you. All right, and it have a lot of health benefit. So what I want to do, I'm already prepped mine. They got a little seed inside of them. So what you want to do, remove the seed and prep them up like what I did right here. All right. So I'm just gonna pop my cherry straight inside of this. And an amazing in the blender. This is the easiest way to do the cherry. All right, that's the easiest way. And right here, I got a nice, lovely, fat chunk of piece of a ginger, which I want to simply remove the skin from the ginger. And it's not nothing too complicated. It's just something simple. All right, that's it, guys. Can watch this one this evening. All right. But if you're at home, trust me, this is a recipe where you can make. And 100% you guys definitely can make this one. All right. So guys, if you want to have a collaboration with Chef Ricardo, please, you know what I mean, make a juice for the summer, a simple recipe, collaboration with Chef Ricardo. You know what I mean, I post it in the link for you, hashtag of Chef Ricardo, and then we can post it for you. All right. So we got the cherry inside of here. We're gonna put some fresh organic ginger inside of the blender. All right, just like this. All right, now as I said, this is the way all my cherries look. I went to the supermarket because I couldn't get cherry. I went to the side and I said, yes, this is some cherry. I'm gonna make the cherry juice between me and the chef. It is a collaboration. Big up the chef Andrew. Big support to the man. All right, support his YouTube channel. And as I say, if you want to do a collaboration with Chef Ricardo, please make a smoothie or your juice, carrot juice, you know what I mean, anything you want to make, hashtag Chef Ricardo and let me know. All right, here it is, beautiful one, fantastic and an amazing. The beautiful thing is what I want to say to you about this cherry juice. You have a lot of health benefit. We're gonna get 1 lemon, or you can use a lime. All right, can you use a lemon or you can use a lime? Trust me, it's beautiful to do this one, guys. 100%. So what you want to do, you want to cut the lemon into half and put it straight inside of it, just like that. It's going to be a simple one, nothing too complicated. That's it, guys. Can't make this at home. All right. But as I can see, it's just a simple juice recipe from Chef Ricardo. Not complicated and something where you're gonna stress out yourself for go and make. It's not like that. Alright, it's just a simple one. And to be honest with you guys, 100% you guys will love it. Alright. So as you can see, it's just some fresh ginger, fresh lemon, and some cherry. Alright. If you notice, look at my hand, them very red. I just prepped them. This was a long work, man. Very long. Chef, this one was a very long work, man. All right, now we're gonna I got a glass of water. We're gonna pour that straight inside of the blender, just like that. All right. What I wanna encourage you, true, I was talking about the health part of the cherry, because the cherry have a lot of health benefit. All right. It's, to be honest, guys, if we go down into the whole details of telling you what the benefit of cherry is, It's better for you, you know what I mean, if you're at home, go on your smartphone and type up the benefit of cherries. Cherries have a lot of health benefit. It's not only to just blend up and make a drink. There is a lot of health benefit from cherry, all right? If you're suffering from certain kind of health, cherry can recover it. Trust me. Do a little bit of research on it and you will see exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about. 100%. You guys will love that one. Alright, and that is lovely. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna simple blend it up. Alright. We're gonna just blend it up now. And as I can see, that's the cherry and the ginger and the lemon. That's the way it look, alright? Beautiful one. Nice one. All right, here it is. This is the cherry. We're gonna run it through our strainer. All right, just to make you guys can see exactly what's going on. All right, it's beautiful. Trust me, guys. 100%. Wonderful, wonderful drink to drink at home. All right, and not only, as I say, it's got a lot of health benefit. Trust me. 100% it got a lot of health benefit. And I would encourage you guys to give this a try at home. 100%. And as you can see how thick it is. Very, very thick. Got a lot of ginger inside of it and a lot of lemon. Very nice. All right, now we're gonna finish up the rest. That's the last of it. And it's very, very, very good for you. Trust me. The cherry is 100% good for you. Alright, let's get out the rest of this. If you notice my fingers, some of them red because I was prepping them up. You know, you have to remove the tough seeds because there's the seeds right there. You have to get rid of the seed. Beautiful drink, guys, honestly. And as I say, it's got a lot of health benefit. You have to just do some research on it, guys, all right? Trust me. And if you can get some organic cherry and just blend it up with some natural organic water with some organic ginger and lemon and just drink that for 5 mornings, then you can see the difference what I'm talking about, all right? And it's amazing. This is lovely, guys, honestly. It is a collaboration between me and Chef Andrew, and you know what I mean, me I do my bit, he's does his bit, so yeah, that's where I am at the moment. Very, very nice one. Alright, so as I said, guys, this is a fantastic, lovely, and also delicious drink where you guys can drink, have a lot of health benefit. 100%, you guys definitely can see what I'm talking about. Alright, now look at this. The thing what you want to do, you do not want to put too much liquid inside of it. Alright, and as you can see how thick it is. And that's it, guys. It's fantastic and amazing. All right, cedar, lovely and delicious. All right, what we're gonna do is get some ice. That's it, guys. Beautiful, lovely, and delicious. All right. Put some lemon inside of it. I'll pour this on an amazing drink inside of it right here. That is fantastic, lovely, and also delicious. All right, and a friend can tell a friend, and that's where Chef Ricardo at the moment. Beautiful. Look at this. Fantastic and amazing cherry juice from Chef Ricardo. Very good for your health, and trust me, you guys definitely will love that. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned in, and I will see you in the kitchen with another video. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I try my best to give you some of the most fantastic recipes in the world. All right, this is a collaboration between me and Chef Andrew. Big up Chef Andrew. All right, thank you so much for doing that collaboration between me and you. Definitely, guys, if you want to do one with Chef Ricardo, as I say, please get yourself together and share some love. All right, as I say, you can do the same thing at home like what Chef Ricardo been doing right here, and do your own and send it to me. It is summer, and this is all about summer drink. All right, if you're happy about summer, make your video, tie up Chef Ricardo and send it across. All right, any drink for summer, let's do a collaboration with Chef Ricardo. All right, Chef Andrew, big up yourself. Thank you so much for doing that video and send it across. Really appreciate it. All right, so guys, that's where I am at the moment. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in. We got a lot more recipes, and as I said, the cherry juice is got a lot of health benefit, and you know what I mean, there's a lot of stuff you can do with it. All right, you can. All right, the key is lime. Yes, instead of, all right, you can use whatever, lemon or lime. All right, but I use what I have. So you can just use whatever you have at home and just make yourself a nice lovely juice and be happy at home. All right, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in, and I will see you in the kitchen with another video, another excited video like this one. All right, beautiful, fantastic cherry juice this evening, one more time in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned in, whole heap of love, and I will see you again with another video. All right, bye bye.